Hello everyone, I am Nazia. I am a student of B Form 3rd year from Hygia Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Today I am going to give a presentation and my presentation topic is important definition from the subject jurisprudence. Let's get started. Firstly, we will know about my content. I am going to define cruelty to animals, experiment contact research, collaborate research, breeder, institutional animal ethics committee, opium, poppy straw, and coca leaf. Cruelty to animals. Cruelty to animals can be defined as under the act treating animals cruelty means subjecting any animals to unnecessary pain and suffering or treatment. Willfully administering any injurious drug or substance to any domestic or captive animal, keeping any animal in any cage of insufficient size, no permitting it reasonable movement. Animal cruelty involves purposefully putting animals in situations that harm, scare, and terrorize them. However, animal cruelty takes place every day in all places, not just in the world of industrial animal agriculture. This is the cage of animal in insufficient size cage, in which the animal are not able to move in that cage. Experiment contact research. Use of animal in experiment and development projects, usually to determine toxicity and dosing. Means any program involving using of animals for the knowledge of biological, physiological, psychological, ethological nature and includes the use of animal in the diagnostic and testing activity. Experiment on cat. This is the cat that this is using in the laboratory to diagnose any drug effect. Collaborate research means researchers working together to achieve the common goal of producing new scientific knowledge. Means any research undertaken by an individual, company, firm or institute. Breeder means a person including an institution which breeds animal for the purpose of transfer to the authorized institution for performing experiments. Animals that through a selection and breeding have come to resemble one together and pass through traits uniformly to their offspring. Institutional Animal Ethics Committee. It is a local body which has been empowered to permit experiment on small animals. Means a body comprising of a group of persons recognized by the committee for the purpose of control and supervision on animal performed in an establishment through an amendment in rules for breeding and experiments on animal control and supervision in year 2006. Opium is a reddish brown addictive drug prepared from the juice of opium poppy, coagulated juice of opium poppy and any mixture with or without any neutral material of the coagulated juice of the opium poppy, but does not include any preparation containing not more than 0.2% of morphine. It is also used as a medicinal purpose, like it is used as analgesic and antidepressant drug. It works generally, it slows down the message traveling between your brain and the whole body. It slows the functioning of the chemical messengers and responses. This is the image of poppy and the white juice. This is the latex of the fruit, the plant opium poppy. This is called opium. Poppy straw. poppy straw is the husk left after the opium is extracted from the pods. Means all part except the seeds of the opium poppy after harvesting, whether in their original form or cut, crushed or powdered, and whether or not juice has been extracted. 3 forms. This is the image of poppy straw. In the bowl there is a crushed poppy straw which is collected from the opium poppy. Coca leaf. Leaf of any plant of genus Erythroxylon, from which cocaine, ecognin and other ecognin alkaloid have not been removed, or any mixture thereof with or without any natural material excepting preparations containing not more than 0.1 of cocaine. Coca leaf. Coca is a plant and source of cocaine. It is a shrub, Erythroxylon coca, native to the Andes, having simple alternate leaves and a small yellowish flower. This is the leaf of coca. These are the leaves which are collected from the coca plant. This is called coca leaf. Thank you very much.